Hey, good morning, guys. This is Joey down at Truck Market in Memphis. Going to bring to you today a 2013 Freightliner Coronado glider kit. It's got a pre-E-log 12.7 Detroit, 10-speed, about 940 on the clock, 140,000 on the overhaul. I've been letting it run for a while. It's not quite operating temperature, but you'll get a good idea of the blow-by, oil pressure, etc. We'll get started, do a full walk around. Here we go. This is mid-roof, full cabinets in the back, fridge, pretty nice interior package. Air ride front end. Normal blow by for a Detroit. Southern truck, no rust on it. Couple dings on the grill there. Slight butt bend in the bumper. Overall body and paint's pretty good for the miles on the truck. Good virgin rubber.